Hello, this is Soda4, and today I'm going to teach you on how to use the array modifier to create a animation in Blender 2.48. So first you're going to want to go into Blender, like I'm in right now. I'm using Blender 2.48, so this might not work in other programs, or it might work a bit differently. So right now I'm going to go to the animation mode, because we're going to be needing to animate for the array modifier, and you're going to need to know keyframes for this tutorial. So if you don't know keyframes, I suggest you take a look at my keyframe tutorial or someone else's. So now you're going to want to go to the editing tab while the cube is open, and you go to modifiers, add modifier, array. Now you can change the count. I'm just going to change it to 5 just for this tutorial. And then you're going to want to press object offset and make sure that you have relative offset off. Now inside the cube you're going to want to add empty, so over here you have empty and empty 0.001. So now you're going to want to click onto your cube again, and down here in the below object offset where it says OB, you're going to want to type empty. Now press copy right here, and you will see all these cubes appear. And then you're going to want here. Let me try copying again. It didn't work. But then you're going to have another array thing right here, and you're going to want to have all the settings the exact same, except down here in OB you're going to want to put down 0.001. So now when you move around your empties, it'll move around the cubes you just put in. So right now I'm going to try putting the cubes into just standard small little cubes. That way it's just a single little cube, and the cubes will grow out of it. So for right now, I'm just gonna have it like that, but for your animation I suggest that you do it a bit better. And now you're going to want to go to the timeline mode. And insert Lockrot scale for the cube, and also for both of the empties. Now right here I'm just going to move the regular empty for about 1 second. I'm going to move it over like that. So then I Lockrot scale. Now I'm going to keep it the same for 1.0 and go to 2.0, and then I'm going to want to drag them out a bit. Then I Lockrot scale. Now right about now I'm going to start rotating it because it's cool to rotate it. So I'm going to go over here down to the little rotation button, and then I'm going to just start rotating them until I come up with some cool things. I Lockrot scale. So far you should have something that works like this. Now don't forget, when you mess around with both of your empties, you might come up with something cooler than just messing around with both of your empties that you created. You can also use scale to have your cubes resize as they go along, but I'm not going to do that just because. And that's your basic array modifier in Blender 2.48. I hope that this tutorial was a big help to you, and yeah, bye.